In 2025, people aren't just searching on Google anymore. They're asking questions directly to ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Gemini. So if your website isn't showing up in these AI answers, you're missing a huge traffic opportunity. In this video, I'll explain how to optimize your website for these AI tools using AI SEO. What is AI SEO? AI SEO means optimizing your website so AI models understand and trust your content. Just like we optimize for Google, now we optimize for AI chatbots. These chatbots pick content from reliable, structured, and well-explained sources. How to rank on ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Gemini. Step 1. Write content that solves real questions. Use natural language. Think like the user. What would they type in ChatGPT? Answer that question directly in the first few lines of your blog. Step 2. Structure matters. Add proper headings, bullet points, and FAQs. AI tools scan content fast, so make it scannable. If you're using WordPress, RankMath automatically adds schema like article and FAQ schema, which helps AI engines understand your page layout perfectly. Step 3. Use the new LLM.txt file. Just like robots.txt tells search engines how to crawl your site, LLM.txt tells AI engines what your site is about. The best part? You can generate it directly inside WordPress using RankMath. By the way, I've already made a detailed video on how to set up the LLM.txt file using RankMath, so you can watch that video here on my channel after this one. Step 4. Build your online presence. AI models don't just read your website, they also check how people talk about you online. So start building your presence on Reddit, Quora, and niche forums. Answer questions, link your blog where relevant, and create authority around your name or brand. These mentions help AI tools recognize your website as a trusted source. Step 5. Follow the EEAT method. Now let's talk about EEAT: experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trust. Originally a Google concept, but it also helps with AI SEO. Here's how. Experience. Show that you've actually used or tested what you talk about. Expertise. Write from real knowledge, not just rewritten AI content. Authoritativeness. Get backlinks and mentions from other respected sites. Trust. Be transparent. Real author name, contact page, privacy policy. When AI engines analyze content, they prefer trustworthy sources, and EEAT makes your site look exactly that. So that's how you can rank higher on ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Gemini using AI SEO. Focus on valuable content, strong structure, online presence, and RankMath tools like Schema plus LLM.txt. If you found this helpful, like the video, drop your questions below, and check out my LLM.txt setup video on this channel. See you in the next one.